Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce you to a winding machine you've probably never seen before. It winds 1,500 turns of 0.3 mm diameter enamel wire around the 120 mm diameter hollow sphere, following the lines of longitude. The result is a device capable of generating an extremely uniform magnetic field inside the sphere. Why go to such lengths for uniformity? Because many precision experiments and devices like MRI scanners, calibration of high-sensitivity magnetometers, and quantum physics experiments require exceptional magnetic field uniformity. Imagine if the magnetic field fluctuated like ocean waves. Your experimental data would be meaningless. This copper sphere creates what's essentially a magnetic vacuum chamber, an ideal environment for scientific research. Most spherical coils are either segmented, cage-like structures, or merely theoretical designs. In contrast, this fully wound sphere with wires following every meridian is truly a rare coil artwork. If you need such a coil, remember to contact us at Spherical. As the saying goes, a rose given, fragrance remains. We look forward to your sharing together. We can make technology more accessible to all. Would you like me to adapt this translation into a more concise version for social media sharing?